Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm co-hydrogen just of the new products on my right hand. This countertop stylings, steam warmers with 6 pantries inside the units. And let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like 44.5 inches wide. And the overall heights, they are almost about like 13.1 inches tall. Depth of the unit is about like 16.5 inches. So we can see the unit's design with the curved glass, and they do have the stainless steel as the base. And let's turn around to see the behind of the units. Okay, so we're looking the behind of the units. We do having the sliding doors. They come in with the 6 pantries inner side, and also we having the switchers. You see the red buttons and the indicator lines with orange buttons. And also have a temperature adjusters. They give you the temperature adjuster from the 85 to the 190 degrees using the Fahrenheit, and standard using the 110 plugs from the manufacturers. And also we do having the cut sheets information diagrams and also the brand's name, and the stickers is mounted right here. So let me measurement the pan sheets. This one about like 12.5 inches long and 7 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like 1 3/4 inches deep. So all 6 pantries the same dimensions, and that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.